Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Innsuites Hospitality Trust. Now this is the stock which I have talked about and specifically make a video on it last month, but I will reiterate the same thing again because you are not going to miss the big opportunity or the big trend which we are having over here. So let us discuss about this particular stocks of Innsuites Hospitality Trust. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribe my channel, hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now a big breakout has already happened. If you haven't yet observed the chart, let it observe it again. If you can see this chart carefully, you will see a breakout has happened above 3.37, and this breakout has happened after a span of 20-21 years. So you cannot ignore this kind of a big breakouts which we have here, and people simply miss this kind of thing. They want quick gains, they do not want compounding gains. That's the problem, and you cannot make a big money with quick gains you have. So these are the three levels, and the stock indeed makes a breakout again above 3.37, and on the downside you have 2.57 and 2.34, which is your stop loss. So what you need to do right now, you need to make sure that the stock is not moving below 3.37 on primary basis. Also, if it does, then 2.5 and 2.3 are the levels that we are going to look at as far as the lowest end of the range or your stop loss is concerned. Now, because the stock has already surpasses 3.37, and if it continues to sustain above 3.37, we will have a big trend. I would say a very big trend on the upside, and there is a high probability that all of your previous levels are getting retested or will get retested going forward. So if the stock, or only if the stock continues to sustain above 3.37, so in next couple of months or years, the levels of the targets that we are going to look at will start with $5.6. Then we have your next target or second target of 7.19. After 7.19 or 7.2, the next couple of levels are going to be something like this. So after 7.2, what do we have here? After 7.2, we have $9.7. Then we have, let me show it to you. After 7.2, we have a $9.7. Then we have $11. After $11, we have $13. So these are all the targets that will open up for you, but this is not the end of the story, because we are approaching towards the highest end of the range, because after this big breakout or such a big breakout, we cannot expect something very low. So what do we have as far as the big range or big target is concerned? And it is in between $17 and $19.8 or $20 on the upside. So this is the big range that has opened up for you, and you must prepare for yourself for a big move, and you must look at these kind of trends. Over a period of time, the trend has evolved, and after a very long time, the stock has given a breakout after 2 decades of consolidation or correction, or whatever you may want to call it as. A breakout has happened. So this is not a fluke, because what has happened, the stock has actually made a breakout in the past, and then it has fallen down like this, and then again you have a breakout. So it means it is similar to a retest that has happened. So you are retesting your previous zones and you are simply moving higher. So instead of volatility, if the stock sustains, because the market is very volatile, so instead of volatility, if the market sustains, we have all the levels which will open up for you and has already opened up for you. So you just need to wait and play the things accordingly. Hopefully you will going to make a big amount of money over a period of time if your breakout holds. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for